Hey there, Christine Pressler here. I'm taking a short hike up to the Wild Horses Monument in Vantage, Washington. It's important to take a few minutes every day to connect with nature. Well, that was a steep hike, but totally worth it. Look at these amazing horses. I've always wanted to hike up here. I've passed this way so many times. Today seemed the perfect day to do it. It's gorgeous. Here's another view of the entire herd. It's very windy up here. It feels so good. Amazing. Okay, let's head back down. One last look. This is extraordinary. Highly recommend you do this hike if you have the opportunity. This is the steep trail back down. It's very slippery. So I'll see you at the bottom. I ran into some hikers just as I was leaving the top here, and they said, thank goodness for a breather break. I would love to do this every day. Getting out in nature is just one of the ways that you can reset your mental energy. For more ideas, download your Mental Energy Toolkit. You'll find more tips for revitalizing your mental energy, including some aromatherapy, such as my 4 Sacred Protectors Essential Oil Blend. I'll drop a link below. Until next time, be well, and don't forget to like and subscribe.